The answer to that is very, very interesting. So this is a slide, hopefully you guys can see that, from my Become a e-commerce consultant, so become an Amazon consultant. So this is a training program that teaches you how to help other businesses get their products onto Amazon and to do deals to get their products onto Amazon so that you can make a lot of money as an e-commerce consultant. Kind of what I do in many, many respects, because I do a lot of deals with companies and with businesses to get their products onto Amazon. So it teaches you all about that, okay? But in module 2, session number 1A, there is this slide. Now, this is a very, very cool slide, and it kind of perfectly answers Mark's question. It's all about Amazon product launching, and this particular module is all about launching somebody else's product onto Amazon and how to do that very, very successfully. That's what this module is all about. But this particular slide highlights what we do as far as a launch strategy. And as you can see, what we're looking to do is it's running over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're looking to, all right, so here's the very, very important things. Depending on, let's just go back here. Depending on where we are attempting to rank our product, which posse we're attempting to rank, whether that be posse number 1, 2, 3, or 4, our goal is pretty simple actually. Our goal is just to beat the person or the seller that we're looking to usurp the position of. So let's suppose it's this Kendall box here. We're looking to get posse number 4 on Amazon. And you don't always want to go for posse number 1, particularly in a highly competitive niche. You can still make a shitload of money. Posse number 2, 3, and 4, you can still do that. And, you know, so don't discount a niche just because the first person, posse number 1, has got like 10 zillion reviews and you think they're making zillions of dollars in sales. Don't discount the niche. You can still go after the niche. You just go after the different poses, okay? So let's talk about posse number 4. Let's suppose that posse number 4 here is making 30 sales a day on Amazon, all right? Now, there is a science about how you go about finding that out, but let's just suppose that that's what you go ahead and I've made the assumption based upon. So then all your job is, Mark, when you are launching your product, is to demonstrate over a 7-day window of time that your product is better at making money for Amazon than that product, than posse's number 4 product. That is the sole thing you have to do, all right? So let's come back to our little slide here. So the way that we do it when we're launching products onto Amazon for other people, and also for ourselves as well, is we start like this. So you can see here, we start with a bang, 40 units, boom, 40 units in the first day. That's what we're looking to do. Then we make consistent sales between 35 and 55 sales, somewhere averaging between those. And then on the last day, again, we want to have a big blustery finish, 50 sales, and just doing that will, without a doubt, 100% kick that particular person out of posse number 4 and put you into that spot instead. That is how you do it. And again, super important, you do not need to be position number 1 to make a lot of money on Amazon. You do not need to be posse number 1. It's nice if you are. Wait, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying you don't need it. Obviously, higher is better, but there's lots and lots of opportunities to make money on Amazon from posse number 1 through posse number 10. Absolutely no dramas at all. So pick your battles wisely, base it on your budget, and that will help you not only go into markets that most folks will go, oh, that's going to be a little bit too competitive, I don't want to go after that. Look at Pussy number 1, 2, and 3. They've all got 10 zillion reviews each. I don't want to go that. But I've already seen, I've got no doubt about it, that there's some categories where Pussy number 1, 2, 3 are crazy. Hundreds of reviews, thousands of reviews sometimes, and posi number 4, well, that's only got 30 reviews. Well, then posi number 4 is your target. That's what you're going after, and that is how you do it. If anybody's interested in that training program, you can get to it pretty easily by going to going here into the VIP area of the Aussie online entrepreneurs, and then you'll see all of the advanced training programs, he says, as my computer and internet is very, very slow, as you can tell. It's over on the top right hand side where it says advanced training programs. Here we go, very, very slow. Advanced training programs, and it's just in there. You want to go to the one that says become an e-commerce consultant, and that's where it is there. Become an e-commerce consultant. That's how you find out more about that. And let me tell you, we are getting very, very busy. Our e-commerce consultancy that I started is getting very, very busy as more and more people are wanting to get their products onto Amazon. So there's really hasn't been a better time. If you're interested in that sort of thing, helping other businesses do what we do, you can make a lot of money doing it. You really, really can. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.